All right, this is a 2009 R Vision, the Trail Light crossover. It's 23 feet in length. It's got a couple of 40-pound propane tanks there. The 12-volt battery's been replaced by two heavy-duty 6 volts, so you get a lot more staying power for the weekends. And what we'll do is we'll just take a look at it. It does have the rear bunks with the front queen, and we'll just take a walk inside and take a look around here. And for those of you who are wondering, there's the actual model number. And so what we have when you come in on the right hand side is the walk around bed. It does have the low closet there, and then of course above there it's got storage. It's got a vent here, a sliding window there, and the quote fire escape one there with the curtain. And we take a look at the kitchen. It's got a pantry there, another place for pots and pans with a microwave and a hood fan on top. It's got a 2-burner stove and a double sink. And down below you've got more cabinet space underneath the sink. In there you've got a couple of drawers and the furnace, of course. And pardon me, that's the circuit breakers, and the furnace is over there. Nice fridge with a freezer on it. And overhead we have the air conditioning unit. More cabinet space above the dining table. CD player and radio. And then the dinette itself, which of course makes into a bed if required. And what's nice about this one, of course, it has the double bunks in the back. And again, there you go. And the lower bunk with the ladder to get up top. And in the bathroom, small shower. Of course, it's got a vent and a fan. And we'll just turn around here so you get a better look at the bunk. And then you can take a look at the layout. It's in the PDF, but this gives you a better idea of what it's like as you come out of the bathroom here. There is a countertop that covers the stovetop as well, so you've got more counter space. And there we go, 2009 R Vision, and it's the Trail Light edition.